What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl, Where Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell your mama and them, because we literally over here. And without further ado, today I will be announcing the giveaway winner for nail the nail goodies. So you're not going to see me today, but you can hear me. So I want to thank everybody that participated in all the giveaways. I try to make sure I gave everybody enough time to enter, and I made sure I gave myself enough time to, check and make sure everything was, I guess, completed as far as the requirements to enter into the competition. Once again, we have no losers. Y'all know we're going to have a lot of stuff in the future because that's just how we get down. But I want to say thank you to all the family members that support me. That's always liking the videos, watching the videos, giving me positive feedback or constructive criticism, or just, showing your love. We really do appreciate it. And the Rare family love y'all. So without further ado, there's going to be 2 winners. Once again, make sure y'all send me your information within a week. But if you want me to get it to you a little bit earlier than that, if you can submit me your information by the next day. So this is coming out Monday. If you can give me your stuff by Tuesday, then I'll have it shipped by Wednesday. And then when you email me, I'll email you the tracking number. So you want to make sure you email me at my email address that's going to be somewhere on the screen. And you want to email me your name and your shipping information where you want me to ship everything. So for the first winner, we have Andrea the Virgo 40s. Or 40S. Once again, that's Andrea the Virgo 40S. Congratulations, family member. You are the winner of the nail goodies, of the 1 box of the nail goodies. And then the second winner we have Andrea's Heart 1821. Once again, that's Andrea's Heart 1821. And congratulations to you too, family member. What's happening? Hey, what's up? So yeah, y'all, that's crazy. Both winners have the name of Andrea. So y'all, it's randomly selected. So once again, we have no sore losers. I can't barely speak, y'all. It's late at night. Y'all gotta excuse me. We have no sore losers. So congratulations to both Andreas. Shout out to y'all. Once again, thank you for your support. Make sure you send me your mailing information to my email address. And once again, y'all, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.